love my daddy, yes sirree. He is very good to me. He reads me stories and makes me laugh. That's my dad, and he's a blast.